Hi guys, look at this question. The question is x to the power 4 minus x cube minus x plus 1 is equals to 0 and we have to find the values of x. First of all, we are going to take common in these two terms x cube. So you are left with x minus 1 inside the bracket. Further take here minus 1 common. So you have x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now out of these two terms, taking out x minus 1 common, so you have x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this implies x minus 1 is equals to 0 and x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. Further you get x is equals to 1. So this is one solution of x, and here you are going to apply the quadratic formula, the cubic formula, that is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we get x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this implies x minus 1 is equals to 0, or we have x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here we get x is equals to 1. Now solving this equation, that is x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0, comparing this quadratic equation with standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, we have a is equals to 1, b is 1 and c is 1. Putting the values in the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we get minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 to 1 upon 2 into 1. So we get x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 upon 2. Further you can write it as x minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2, or you can say x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 3i upon 2. So the solutions of x are this value and x is equals to 1, and this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.